Our habits we pass down for generations. So how intentional are you going to be about being the CEO, the leader, and the visionary for your last name? Are you going to be the visionary for Dad? What we gonna be in the next 30 years? Are we still gonna be written? Are we still gonna be check to check? Are we still gonna have a bunch of liabilities? Are we still gonna have a car note but no life insurance? That's on you right now. Who's here to is willing to make that commitment to be the leader and visionary for their last name today? Who's here? Raise your hand. You know it's on you. You've taken responsibility. Say, I promise to take full responsibility and accountability for the success, health, and wealth of my last name. All right, you promise.